Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I have some bad news for Truepush plugin users. I will log in now and show you their update on my account with Truepush. I have no idea what is going to happen to the paid users since I was using the free one. I was late in creating this video by a day or so. So sorry for that, but information is information. Truepush notification service has announced that it will discontinue. It means it's going to close down its services effective from August 31, 2024. And if you are a user of Truepush, it's essential to take immediate action to ensure a smooth transition. Here are a few steps you can take. First, retrieve important data. Download any important data or information from your Truepush account before the service shuts down. Second, find an alternative service. Look for other push notification services that fit your needs. Some alternatives include OneSignal, Push Engage, and Web Engage. Ensure you review their features, pricing, and integrations. Point number 3. Notify your audience. If you have subscribers who rely on push notifications from your service, inform them of any changes that might affect how they receive updates. Fourth, backup and migrate. If you have an extensive push notification setup, consider backing up all configurations and look for migration tools to move seamlessly to another service. And finally, point number 5, review impact. Assess the impact of Truepush shutting down on your operations and make adjustments accordingly. While Truepush hasn't officially confirmed the news, it has recently communicated to its clients that it plans to cease operations. The exact reasons behind this decision remains unclear at this time, as Truepush has not publicly disclosed specific details. The company has, however, provided a timeline for service termination, allowing existing clients to migrate to alternative solutions. The company has outlined a timeline for the service termination with a final shutdown date set for August 31, 2024. Finally, get in touch with Truepush and request them to give your important data. If they don't give back your data, all your years of hard work will go in vain, right? I had written a message to Truepush regarding my data, but there is no reply from them. I have a feeling they have stopped replying back. Leave your comments as what Truepush has done with your data. Let all the users know. So I end this short video. This video was created just for awareness for you. Take care and bye-bye.